Are you ready?
Tractor Ted is asleep in his shed as the cockerel says good morning. So much to do, Farmer Tom and Midge too, down on the farm exploring. Welcome to the farm with Tractor Ted. Let's go see the farm with Tractor Ted.
Let's go!
Let's read Tractor Time. Down on the farm, find tractors big and tractors small. Tractor Ted goes to look at them all. There are some that are red and some that are blue and some that are green. Tractor Ted, like you. There are steps leading up to the cab on the top and the key that turns to start and to stop. See where Farmer Tom sits, and cheeky Midge too, on a seat next to him, a seat with a view. There are lights on the front and a hitch on the back. It drives off to work down the bumpy farm track. There are so many jobs that a tractor can do. They can mow the grass and bale it too. What's this one doing? Tractor Ted wants to know. It's making the beds where the potatoes will grow. Tractors can lift and tractors can pull. They can help feed the animals, even the bull. So much to do in the fields and the barns. Tractors, such useful machines on the farm.
Let's go see